Dumela Nko Khaye, welcome to another banger episode of Kasi Game Changers on the one and only Soweto TV. I'm sure lona wa ipotsa gore shebileng mona ke di tool ke di hammer go busy. We back at Chief Ralekhudu Enterprise to finally see these young mentees meet their mentor. For those who tune in, I think you remember the last time we saw these mentees, they were all excited, they were all about it. I hope they're going to bring the same energy today, because today is the day, Baba. Arbakene. We back at it, Rico Chief Ralekhudu Enterprise with the one and only Zach. How are you, my brother?
I'm good, yourself?
I'm alright, man. I'm alright. Pleased to see you again. Pleased to see you again. Kitty coffee, kitty tool, who busy as usual. Hey, another wheelchair morning.
Yeah.
How are you, my brother? How are you doing?
My brother, I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm good.
You look good.
Thank you so much.
The best of shapes.
Thanks so much.
I heard some interesting news on my way here. Amos has left us. What's your thoughts on that?
Like left?
Really?
Left like left? Or
left? He's gone. You're left with two young mentees that are looking forward to still learn and be under your wing.
No, we have two now instead of three. Well, like I said, this is all about passion. And I'll work with the two that we have.
What should they look forward to? I've
set up actually a program for them where it's going to start, where at the end they will be certified. Not only as mentees and as repairers or technicians, but as qualified.
Because the qualifier, accreditation,
for sure.
At the end of the day, it's about moving them forward and grooming them. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So with the people that you've worked with in the past, how have you managed to get them where they are today?
You know, like I said, with the previous one, there was no follow-up. But with this one now that we are doing, it's something to do to make sure that they become also mentors. You understand? Whatever they're going to learn from here, they will be able to plant it somewhere else. So we'll make sure that the qualification for them means a lot for them so they can also be able to train others.
And I heard you doing some extra work out there as well, assisting other facilities, other institutes. Can you tell us more on that?
Oh, for sure, man. Because this one here is one of the biggest, which is one of the biggest, not only around where we are, but in the country. Because they are going to be doing practicals in one of the major hospitals in the country, Chris Hanibara Hospital. That's where their practicality will be done here. They will be repairing chairs that the hospital has abandoned, that they will make sure that they bring back those wheelchairs into existence, so that they can go back to the patients that are in the hospital for use.
Chris Hanibara,
yes,
that's no joke.
That's no joke.
That's
where we wanted to start. We have to start big. We have to start big.
No, man.
For them, it's going to be something else that now we know. We know what is needed out there. And we are using the thing that our government is using it, that to say it's batubili. That whatever that comes out of their hands, it will be something that will be usable for whoever, the patients that are using all these chairs.
What sets you apart from any other enterprise within your line of work?
What we do, what Chief Ralekhudu Enterprise does, it's more practical. It's more of people who are being excluded. It's more of people who cannot be employed out there. So what we wanted to do is that the accessibility of people with disability in our country has been so difficult for a lot of people. So the whole thing about what we do here is that everyone who go to Chief Ralekhudu Enterprise to learn about being an entrepreneur on wheelchair servicing and repair will go out there and make sure that all disabled people in their communities have accessibility for their repairs, because whatever, if you buy a car, you have a service center. You see? So most of them, they have all devices that they are using. But the service center is not there. And they will use this for 3 years without being repaired, without being serviced. They're going to throw it away and wait for another year. But if this can be serviced throughout, I mean, the longevity of that product will be extended. So the difference between me and those, or between the Chief Ralekhudu enterprise and those who are out there doing the same thing, was that we need to go into the community. We don't want them to come. We go to the mountain.
On deliver.
On deliver.
Let's do that. Let's do that. Now we've got the mentees here. But they are here.
Okay.
What should they expect? What are the measures? What should they do that shouldn't harm them or take them elsewhere within this line?
Like I said in the first, when we started chatting, they have to understand firstly about the workshop. The safety precautions, about their safety also, the hygienic, about any devices that we're going to be repairing or servicing, they need to understand the hygienic part of it. And then they have to understand the tools. You understand? Most of them now, we actually going to be training them or showing them how to use manual tools, handling tools, which tools to work where, which tools to be used where. You understand? The safety on that also. Like the program start with the hygiene, the workshop understanding, and with the safety, and then with the handling of tools and all that.
Thank you so much, Zach. I'm looking forward to this. But I want the best for them. You know how the game is.
For sure.
Hey, tada.
For sure.
There you have it, mentees. I hope you're ready. Safety is a very heavy tool in this industry. We are about to see these mentees, but before we do that, we'll see you just now.